Are you looking for the best pruner saw? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pruner saw on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 10-inch heavy-duty pruning saw, folding handsaw with. Designed for demanding outdoor tasks, the 10-inch heavy-duty pruning saw delivers power and precision in one compact tool. Its folding design makes it easy to carry while providing a comfortable grip and sharp cutting capability, making outdoor pruning quicker and more effective. Whether trimming shrubs, camping, or maintaining a garden, this saw offers reliable performance with every stroke. Its durable blade and ergonomic handle bring convenience and strength together in a single package. Crafted with SK5 steel, the pruning saw features a 10-inch triple-sharpened blade that cuts cleanly through both green and dry wood. Capable of handling branches up to 6 inches thick, it performs well in various tasks from tree trimming to landscaping. The blade is hardened for lasting sharpness and works efficiently in both push and pull strokes, increasing versatility. The blade is hardened for lasting sharpness and works efficiently in both push and pull strokes, increasing versatility. The ergonomic rubber handle reduces fatigue during long projects by providing a secure and comfortable grip. It stays firm even when wet, which is helpful in unpredictable outdoor conditions. The folding mechanism safely covers the blade when not in use, secured by a locking button that ensures safety and ease during transport. Compared to other saws in its category, this model impresses with its blend of durability and portability. It suits homeowners who require a dependable tool for regular maintenance and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable cutting gear. The easy-to-use design, combined with its strong performance, makes it a valuable addition for anyone managing woodwork outdoors. Pros: triple-sharpened SK5 steel blade for precise cutting. Comfortable, non-slip rubber handle reduces hand strain. Compact folding design with secure locking mechanism. Cons: limited to hand-powered use, may require more effort on dense wood. Number 2. Suchtale manual pole saw, pruning saw, tree pruner with steel. Maintaining trees and shrubs becomes easier with the Suchtale manual pole saw, designed to tackle branches at various heights efficiently. Combining 2 essential tools, a steel saw blade and pruning scissors, it offers versatility for your garden or orchard needs. Adjustable up to 14 feet, this pole saw helps reach high limbs safely from the ground without ladders. Its sharp blades and ergonomic design enhance cutting ease and accuracy, making outdoor trimming tasks less strenuous. The Suchtale pole saw features a 2-in-1 design with a high-carbon steel saw blade for thick branches and durable manganese steel pruning scissors for thinner stems. Both tools cut cleanly, supporting a variety of pruning jobs in yards, farms, or orchards. The extendable pole breaks down into sections, ranging from around 34 to 168 inches, granting flexible reach while storing compactly. Assembly is straightforward using screw fittings and butterfly nuts, requiring no extra tools, which adds convenience for users. Its upgraded single pulley system reduces the force needed to cut overhead branches, improving safety and control. A rust-resistant stainless steel handle complements the sharp blades, providing a firm grip and long-lasting use in outdoor conditions. Though slightly heavier than some models, many users find it effective and easy to maneuver when pruning high branches. This pole saw suits homeowners and gardeners who want reliable performance without complicated power tools. Pros: dual-function 2-in-1 design for cutting thick and thin branches. Adjustable pole length up to 14 feet for elevated reach. Single pulley system reduces effort during cutting. Cons: heavier than some comparable pruning pole saws. Number 3. SEESII mini chainsaw and electric pruning shears combo, 6-inch brushless. Experience the convenience of 2 essential garden tools in one compact set. The SEESII mini chainsaw and electric pruning shears combo offers powerful yard maintenance with cordless freedom. Its lightweight design and smart features make trimming and cutting easy for users of all skill levels. Designed for efficiency and comfort, this combo provides both heavy-duty cutting and precise pruning. Whether managing tree limbs or delicate branches, it handles tasks swiftly while reducing fatigue. Ideal for home gardeners, orchard owners, and DIY landscapers alike. The set includes a 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw and electric pruning shears, each driven by a robust 800W brushless motor. Brushless technology ensures quieter operation, reduced vibration, and longer tool life. Two 2000 mAh lithium batteries enable extended runtimes, allowing uninterrupted work with quick charging between uses. The pruning shears offer 3 adjustable cutting widths using ultra-sharp SK5 high-carbon steel blades. With over 1,200 cuts per charge, they are perfect for trimming flowers and small branches. With over 1,200 cuts per charge, they are perfect for trimming flowers and small branches. Weighing just 3 pounds for the chainsaw and 31 pounds for the pruners, these tools are designed for easy one-handed use. Soft grip, non-slip handles improve control and reduce wrist strain, making them well-suited for beginners, seniors, and users seeking comfortable operation. Safety is boosted by dual-switch locks and protective scabbards, ensuring peace of mind during use. Pros: brushless motors provide powerful, quiet, and long-lasting performance. Lightweight and ergonomic design allows for effortless one-hand operation. Includes dual batteries and comprehensive accessory kit for immediate use. Cons: battery life may vary under heavy use and requires timely recharging. Number 4. 4-in-1 pole saw and electric pruning shears, 8-inch pole. Elevate your garden care with the 4-in-1 pole saw and electric pruning shears, featuring an 8-inch cutting blade and an extendable pole reaching up to 15 feet. This versatile tool tackles branches at various heights and thicknesses, making pruning simpler and more effective. Designed to reduce wrist strain, its 180 degrees rotatable head and powerful brushless motor offers smooth, quiet operation. Swift battery charging and durable construction combine to create a reliable pruning companion for all your yard maintenance needs. The 4-in-1 pole saw and electric pruning shears set provides a flexible solution that handles both towering tree branches and low shrubs with ease. The adjustable extension pole reaches up to 15 feet, suited for different pruning heights, while the top's 180-degree rotation allows precise cutting angles without discomfort. Powered by an 880W brushless motor, it operates efficiently and quietly, extending motor life and lowering maintenance demands. Two 21V 4000 mAh batteries ensure ample runtime, complemented by a fast charger that fully replenishes power within 2 hours. Built with high-hardness alloy steel and SK7 high-carbon steel blades, this tool withstands heavy pruning without bending or dulling. The automatic lubrication system keeps the chain well-oiled during use, while tool-free chain tensioning makes maintenance straightforward and quick. Ideal for homeowners seeking a lightweight yet powerful pole saw, it balances performance with user comfort. While similar cordless pole saws also feature extendable poles and motorized cutting, this model excels with its dual batteries and longer reach of 15 feet, offering extended cutting time and access. Though primarily plastic in construction, careful handling preserves its longevity. Users benefit from a safer experience thanks to its double-lock design, supported by a responsive customer service warranty for peace of mind. Pros: includes 2 long-lasting batteries for uninterrupted use. Adjustable pole extends reach up to 15 feet for diverse pruning tasks. Tool-free chain tensioning and automatic lubrication simplify maintenance. Cons: plastic joint between saw handle and pole can feel flimsy under pressure. Number 5. SEESII 4-in-1 pole saw and pruning shears combo kit, 6. Experience the all-in-one power of the SEESII 4-in-1 pole saw and pruning shears combo kit. Designed to tackle a variety of gardening tasks, it combines reach, precision, and power for seamless yard maintenance. Say goodbye to switching tools constantly. With its extendable pole and precision shears, this combo effortlessly handles both high branches and delicate plants. The SEESII combo kit brings a comprehensive solution to pruning and trimming needs. Equipped with a 6-inch cordless pole saw and a 21V electric pruning shear, it allows users to reach up to 16 feet safely from the ground. This eliminates the risk associated with ladder climbing while maintaining control and stability when cutting overhead branches. Powered by two 4000 mAh batteries, the saw operates continuously without frequent recharges. Its 600W brushless motor delivers faster cutting speeds with minimal heat, extending tool life. The SK5 steel pruning shears provide clean cuts up to The SK5 steel pruning shears provide clean cuts up to 2 inches thick, promoting healthier plant growth and reducing hand fatigue. Additional features such as the chain lubrication system ensure consistent cutting performance by minimizing friction and heat during use. The combo also includes a double lock safety system that requires a deliberate two-step activation to prevent accidental starts. Pros: extends reach safely up to 16 feet, avoiding ladder use. Brushless motor offers efficient and durable cutting power. Includes electric shears and pole saw for versatile pruning needs. Cons: smaller pruning shear blades may limit cutting larger branches.